Welcome to the Tech Series Episode 1. I am Dan and I am going to be the host today for the podcast. We are hosting to introduce DIGIOTAI and its founders. Today we have with me Swap, who is the founder of DIGIOTAI. So Swap, welcome to the show and thanks for joining me.
Thanks, Dan.
So Swap, can you give a brief introduction about your individual background?
Sure, Dan. I am an accomplished digital transformation IoT blockchain evangelist and a technology executive with over 14 years of technology experience.
What kind of engagements have you handled so far?
So I've handled strategic engagements spread across business strategy, analytics, consulting, and strategic business transitions.
That's great. Can you share some of your digital transformation projects experience?
Sure. So I have executed blockchain pilots for automotive, social media, and internet as industry verticals, and also executed machine learning, deep learning, and AI projects for heavy machinery, energy and utilities, automotive, and manufacturing verticals.
Wonderful. So you are also an engineer with a distinction in the electronics and communications discipline.
That's right. Yes.
Thanks, Swap. I also have with me Vijay, who is also a co-founder of DIGIOTAI. So Vijay, welcome to the show and thanks for joining me.
Thanks, Dan.
So Vijay, like Swap, can you also give a brief introduction about your background?
Sure, Dan. I'm an ex-Deloitte and Accenture tech veteran with over 15 years of global experience.
So what has been your technology exposure?
I'm a technology professional and a thought leader with a proven success in the areas of digital transformation, specialization in the emerging stack of technologies like IoT, big data, machine learning, deep learning, and AI.
Great. I also know that you are an engineering graduate carrying a distinction in the electronics and instrumentation discipline.
Yes, Dan.
Thanks, Vijay. So Swap, how did you guys come up with the idea of DIGIOTAI and what is DIGIOTAI all about?
So with more and more devices, things, machines connected to the internet, the volume of data has exponentially increased. So with more data imposes more questions and obviously more problems to solve. So to derive meaning out of these huge perils of data requires innovative thinking, design thinking, and automated thinking. And that's what we are trying to build as a part of our innovation journey.
What is unique about DIGIOTAI?
We want to ensure that we empower enterprises with the true value of their data. To do that, we have understood to have a converged approach and a correlated approach, amalgamating IoT, data science, AI, blockchain, and AR/VR. We spent years of experience finding the right mix of people, talent, and professionals to ensure the ecosystem of delivery ensembles a convergence to realize the true value of data rather than having a siloed approach.
Great. Swap, I would like to know what has been DIGIOTAI's approach towards driving digital transformation.
Sure. At DIGIOTAI, we follow a specific and unique approach towards digitization, and we call it IDEA. IDEA for us stands for innovation, design, evolution, and automation. So unlike other major players, we are dedicated to solving real-world problems through innovation. And as a company, we have already engaged with some path-breaking, industry first of its kind pilots, leveraging the data expertise that we have. And so we imbibe our IDEA principle at every level of our development cycle.
Thanks, Swap and Vijay, for introducing yourselves and DIGIOTAI. Stay tuned for our next podcast sessions. For more insights, snippets, use cases details, please subscribe to our LinkedIn, YouTube, Medium, FB, and Twitter pages. You can find all the details in the comment section below. Until next time, thanks for joining us and see you again in our next podcast release.